Hey guys, you heard it right, Goody's back. And I had been using oops, let me show you. I had been using, for my main camera, a beginner camera. I would recommend this as a beginner camera. A Canon Vixia HF R800. And it even flips around and it has a touchscreen display. It goes up to 1080p, 60 frames per second, progressive scan. Now that is a good camera to start out with. And then I figured it was time to up my game. Now I'm not rich by any means. So what I got, we're gonna unbox it, shall we? We're gonna unbox this. I have an X-Acto knife, so you gotta be careful. It's sharp enough to split the hair. Get it? Okay, lame jokes aside, look, watch this. I'm gonna cut right down here. Just fresh off of eBay. Now this isn't gonna be the best camera in the world, but it's my very first professional camera. My DSLR camera. It's a mirrorless DSLR camera. And it is by far better than the Canon, because I want to start doing better quality videos, and actually I could take pictures. Are you getting this box here up close? Okay, let's see what we have in the box. Shall we? We shall. Look guys, I know this is old news to some of you because this model is a couple years old, I think 2017, but this is a Panasonic LUMIX DMC-G7K 4K DSLR mirrorless camera. Oh buddy, I'm so happy. I'm kind of psyched to see this bad whammer jammer. Look here, it has all the manuals, software. You can see that. And I am going to be reviewing this, by the way. This is just the unboxing. Oh yeah, the camera itself. This is things of beauty right here. It's a thing of beauty. Lens cap. We're going to be getting some good quality videos out of this. There's the strap. So there's the camera itself. I want to lay that over there. Looks like. See what else we have down in here. Oh, this is the lens. I know what this is. This is a 14 by 42 lens, I believe. And there should be a charger and maybe batteries. I think this came with extra batteries. I'm pretty sure it did, and an extra battery charger. There's an external charger. There is one battery. This is a hood. You can take this hood out of here so you can see it, in case you don't know what a hood is. It goes over the camera. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. Now, we have all of that. Set that over there. And it also came with a carrying bag. Cleaning cloth. Let's see if there's any other goodies inside. There should be that other battery I was telling you about. Well, there's 2 more batteries, so that's a total of 3. And I was only promised 2, so that's a good thing. Let's see if I can find my little X-Acto blade. Okay, we're going to open this up. Hey, I'm a really good surgeon, guys. Okay. Here's another battery. One brand name battery. These are 2. Look like third-party batteries, but I don't care. You know, they'll still work the same. power extra batteries. So I have 3 batteries total. And that is all that's in the box. So the conclusion of the video, oh, and it has a strap inside this bag too. And it is a brand name strap. It says LUMIX on it. So let me show you what I got, guys. I have the camera with lens cap, strap. I'm not going to open the, I guess I could because it's got a protective cover on it. The 1442 lens, the hood. I have the bag with a strap. I have an original LUMIX battery. I have a second third-party battery, which is a power extra battery. I have another one for a total of 3. Then I have a wall charger for the camera. I have the manuals in case I want to read the instruction manual. And I have all the software and everything that came with this bad whammer jammer. So guys, I look forward to reviewing this and testing this out very soon. This has been the unboxing of the Panasonic LUMIX G7 series 4K camera. Hope you enjoyed it.